Landscape painting, building a diorama. In order to be able to make a landscape on our model, it is necessary to provide your memory with a fair amount of images. And the best way to compile this information is to resort to your environment, observe nature. In it you will be able to find both large volumes as well as small details. From all of this we will take the shapes and details which best suit our tastes and needs. The landscape we are now in is an area through which I have passed on countless occasions, both by car and train, even on foot. This is why my memory contains many images of this. That is why I was inspired by this landscape to make the diorama we will see next. To build a diorama, we need to use various techniques and materials. It is important to achieve a balance between what is realistic and that which is show. The choice of the various techniques and materials to be used will depend on the volume and the finish we wish to obtain, as well as the ease or difficulty of its execution. Many times an area can be made in different ways and with different techniques, with a similar final outcome. Therefore, we should choose the technique that best suits our preferences and skills. In short, for a model or diorama, it is not always necessary to use the same technique for the whole set. You should choose, every time, the most suitable one for your tastes and needs. I hope this educational documentary is enjoyable to watch and useful for later making your model or diorama to your full enjoyment. Enjoy it.